Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon.
Dahil ako, katono wala na.
And we have 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Luzon, then down to Visayan. Sure, Itimos, Bugsugat, Bukunan, and Corn. Ay, Simo, Magdan, Mandawi. Ay, Mohol sa Marliti.
Kato, panay ka, nyo Philippine Geography, wala sa kay Bauron.
Iloilo ang
Dahil ka daw, lamig kayo kanta na.
Palawan.
Kanang giotro ng mga likids niya, kanang lyrics.
Sikihor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao. Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Usamin, 23 provinces of Davao. Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Tagbilaran is our popular city. Maraming salamat po.
One more.